Hi, this is Vamsi Krishna. In this video, I am going to explain my second experiment in Unix and Linux Lab. Here there are some list of questions. First question is to write a shell script to find the greatest of three numbers. That means we need to find among three numbers which one is greatest. Here the in the program, first we are giving the input as read A. That means read A, read B, read C. That means the three input values, and here is the condition if a greater than b ampersand a greater than c. In this one, if statement we are using then, and echo is printing the values and a values with if a is greater, it is the greatest of three numbers. Else if b greater than a, ampersand b greater than c, then echo b with value ampersand b, dollar b is the greatest of the three numbers. And elif c greater than a ampersand c greater than a, then echo we need to print the c value as greatest among three numbers. If all the three numbers are equal, it will display the uh, all the three numbers are equal, then we are closing the command with fi statements. If we look into the output of this code, we need to enter all the three values. Here I have given 23, 24, 25. In this c is the greatest value. It will show c is with value of 25 is greatest of three numbers. Then if you go move to the second question, we need to write a shell script to find the greatest grade for a given mark. Yeah. First, here I am giving heading as a, that means first printing as echo student system, grade system. It starts from 0, average starts from 0. Then echo, I need to enter the all 7 subject marks. Here I am using for loop. It starts from 0 to 0, I less than 7. It increments I plus plus. Then do read a of I, that means it will read the I value first. It starts from 0, and o value is equal to dollar a, dollar I, that means it will read the I values. Then after for loop, same, it will start from I 0, then I less than 7, it will increments up to 7 numbers. Then it will print the echo, that means dollar I of which one is value which we are giving as first subject. It will print echo. Here I am giving the marks. Then for I in dollar a, at the rate of, then echo dollar sum is equals to echo sum plus, that means I value which we are giving the first marks for the subject. Then echo sum dollar sum, that means average equal to, here we need to implement the formula of average. Average sum is equals sum divided by total marks into 100. Here we need, I am printing the total as echo total, that means the total sum, if we calculate all the 7 subjects, we will add into the total. Then we are calculating the average, that means echo dollar average. Then if here I am giving is pass grade as p. If average, that means average greater than the minus gt, that means hyphen gt greater than 80, average less than 100, it will show as pass grade as yes. Then greater than 41 less than 80, it will show as b. Else it will show pass grade as a. Keep it up. Then here I am closing by using the command fi. Then here I am giving the output, that means I am entering all the 7 subject marks, 30, 40, 70, like that. Here if we look into the output, the total will be, if the total will be calculated 420, average of that is 6000. Then pass grade equal to p. Here it will show keep it up. Then yeah, write a shell command to get the internal and external marks from the user and check pass or fail. Here first I am giving the echo, that means printing the output of first, enter internal marks for 60. For maximum 60 marks we need to enter the marks, and we need to read, that means we need to give the input of internal marks same as like external for 100. We need to give the external marks as input. Then here the some formula, that means ex equal to echo dollar external divided by formula divided by 40 for external. For internal, that means we need to give 100 total, that means echo dollar ext plus dollar internal marks. If dollar total greater than equal to 50, then the candidate should be passed, else the student has to become reappearance. Here I am giving the internal marks for out of 60 I am giving 50, for external out of 100 I am giving 65. If we look into the condition, total mark greater than or equal to 50, here the candidate should be come as pass. Then write a shell script to develop the arithmetic calculator. Here for using arithmetic calculator, we need to give two variables in this, for the first number and second number. And for entering the arithmetic operations, here plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, asterisk, then slash for division. Enter the type, that means type of operation you want to perform. That means in the we need to enter the type of operation, that means plus or sum or addition like that. Then here in, if we link it in the code, case, that means dollar $c in echo hyphen sum, that means if you are pressing +1, it will add the total two numbers. Then for difference also same like that. Product, that means multiply of two numbers. Quotient, that means division of two numbers. It will print the values. So if we look into the code, if you look into the output, here I am giving the first number as 45 and second number as 26. Here it is asking for arithmetic operations which we need to perform, that means we need to enter like that. Here I am giving plus for addition, it will add the first and two numbers. If we add this first 45 and 26 numbers, it will get the output as 71. Then if you look here is the fifth question, write a shell script to check whether the entered character is vowel or not. If first we need to type the echo, that means I'm printing the first command as enter a character, then read a, that means here we are giving the input case dollar $a, that means giving the input in if echo it, a is a vowel, a echo it is a vowel, I need to print e, it is a vowel, else if it is not a vowel. In this one, if you look into the output, I need to enter the character, that means here I am giving the input as or, it will show the output as not a, it is not a vowel. Then another character I am entering, that means enter a character, I am giving the input as here e, it will display the output as it is a vowel. Thank you.